Alright, this week of Ask Axel, we've got the fairly common sort of plug here. You're not going to be able to see the pin, the little lever that you're going to have to depress, but it is in there. So here we are, we're going to grab your little depinning tool, just the single-sided one. And what you want to do is, this side here is where your pin would go if you were plugging it into the sensor or injector. The top side you want to insert it into. So you want to go in the top side, so this side. You want to go in the top side in there, insert it in, and feel around, and you'll feel the pin. You'll feel the little tab, and then all you're going to do is lift it up and then very carefully pull your pin out. So this is what the plug with the pin looks like, and these have this tiny little recess in the top of it, and that's what the little plastic locking pin sits in and locks it in place. So then if you imagine it, you're going in through the plug, going in, finding the pin, lifting it up, and then just pulling the plug out the back. So I'll see if I can quickly do one more so that you can see it done again. So we're going to go in the top. That's not the top. It is the top. We're going to go into the top, pull down, and pull out, and there you have it. So the premise behind most of these plugs is you want to imagine that this is the socket, this is the pin, right? And there's a little plastic tab that's inside of the socket. And what you're doing is you're inserting your tool, and you're going to go in here from the front of the socket, and you're going to go in and you're going to lift that little plastic tab out of the road, and that will enable you to then withdraw the pin out from the back of the socket by pushing that little plastic tab up.